Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from How to Fix Online. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to fix ICICI Bank application crashing on your Android phone. If your ICICI mobile banking application keeps crashing on your Android device whenever you try to launch the app open, then there can be several reasons why the bank application might be crashing. Here are some of the steps you can try to fix the issue. The first thing you need to do is to make sure that your Android device is updated to the latest operating system. If you have an outdated Android operating system, you might be going through this issue, so launch Open the Settings application from your Android. From the Settings menu, scroll down and click on Software Update. Tap on Download and Install on the next page and check for available update for your operating system. If there is an update available, make sure to download or schedule the update for your Android device. But if the operating system is already up to date, you will see this interface. Once you've made sure of your Android device is running the latest software update, you might be able to fix your issue right away. But if the problem still persists, the next thing to do is to check for app updates. Launch Open the Play Store and look for the iMobile Pay Banking UPI application from ICICI Bank and make sure to download the latest update. If you see an update button, press on the update button immediately to start downloading the latest release. Once you have the updated version, you might be able to fix your issue. But if the crash still persists, the next thing to do is to clear the app cache and data. Go through your app drawer and press hold the ICICI Mobile Pay application. Press hold the ICICI Mobile Pay application and tap on App Info. Once you open up the App Info, tap on Storage and then tap on Clear Cache at the bottom right and tap on Clear Data at the bottom left. Once you delete the cache and data from the app, this will be able to fix some corrupted and cached data from your device. Clearing your data will erase your login information, so make sure you know your credentials before clearing data for your application. So those were some of the fixes you could try out if you're going through ICICI Bank application crashing on your Android phone. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.